you'll find out how Alex is ranked 31st in a list of the most influential people in the world in Hispanic markets thanks to his ClickBank business. How Nick's income shot from $50,000 to over $300,000 because of his digital book on fat-burning foods. And how Michael rebounded from the brink of bankruptcy to build a six-figure ClickBank empire. We kick off with the very basics to get you up to speed fast. And then hold tight because we've outlined and sequenced the training to help you get to the money part pronto. All you have to do is watch one training video at a time and follow the simple instructions. We imagined what we would want to see if we were starting out today. What would get us making money the quickest with the least amount of hassle? And I think we've delivered that for you. And even if you've already attempted to make some money online, here's why ClickBank University 2.0 is like nothing you've ever seen or tried before. It's a proven path, a roadmap, a blueprint that you can follow step by step. Each video not only increases your knowledge, it literally boosts your income potential. And remember, Adam, Justin, and I have already followed this path, and our success speaks for itself. And the best part? Inside the training area, you'll see we don't just give you follow-along training videos. We're there to personally guide you to success. You can even direct message Justin and me inside. And finally, with ClickBank University 2.0, you're getting a proven path to financial success from the definitive source. Nowhere else can you access training so comprehensive and so time-proven to work because it's been collated from tens of thousands of success stories right across the ClickBank network. And it's been streamlined into a proven system. Here, listen to a couple more ClickBank success stories.
Hi, I'm Joey Atlas, founder of truthaboutcellulite.com, creator of Naked Beauty, the Simulast Method, which is one of the top selling programs on ClickBank. I'm a fan of self-improvement because of the nature of my work. I can be anywhere, and as long as I have a notebook for writing things down really quickly and smartphone, iPhone, I can basically go anywhere I want. The theme is flexibility, to really manage my schedule and my days exactly how I want to. That's the beauty of this. This is why I built this business in the first place, is to give myself the flexibility and freedom to go out and do the things I want. I hope it's helped to give you some insights and maybe even inspire you to strive to get to the same place as I am. I'll be back in touch soon. Thanks for watching.
This is how a typical day starts, which is so awesome compared to the 5 a.m. alarm clock. I can work as hard or as not hard as I want to. That's one of the big benefits of owning my own business, is the freedom and flexibility. So thank you to ClickBank for providing me with the vehicle to bring my expertise to the rest of the world. I had the expertise, but I didn't know how to get it out. ClickBank provides that vehicle. And no, they did not ask me to say that. If you're thinking of trying this route, becoming an entrepreneur, my best advice for you is don't give up and to go for it. And with that, thanks for watching and good luck to you.
Now, before you get started, it's important for you to understand what ClickBank University 2.0 is not. It's not some get-rich-quick scheme designed to take your money and give you nothing in return. It's also not some pie-in-the-sky fantasyland nonsense that gets you all excited only to bring you back down to earth with a thud when you realize you've been tricked. And it's definitely not some push-button software that promises to rain down cash with a click of your mouse. If you watched this far into the video, we know you're ready for something real, something that flat out works. And the ClickBank University 2.0 system is very real and very achievable for you. And that's because it's been based on real proven strategies, techniques, and ideas from people just like you who are succeeding beyond their wildest dreams with the power of the ClickBank platform. And remember, those people are no different to you except for one tiny detail. They actually didn't have the proven and fully upgraded system you now have right in front of you. So if they can do it by figuring it out all by themselves, it's that much easier for you with our simple and proven roadmap to follow. Listen, there's no such thing as a big red button that causes an avalanche of cash to roll into your bank account. And sorry to say, there's really no such thing as lazy riches either, at least not in the beginning. Yes, you will get to the point where you can kick back in the mornings, sip a cup of Java, and feel blissful peace of mind because you know the sales, money, and profits are rolling in. In fact, I know I speak for thousands of the successful people leveraging ClickBank when I say that checking your stats in the morning is going to be one of the highlights of your day. I just love seeing how much money I made literally while I slept the night before. However, you're going to have to put in effort and hard work as you follow the training videos and you implement what you learn. Yet, after a short time, once you start making sales and set up automated selling systems, you're going to find that income can continue to pour in whether you work or you don't. There's no such thing as push-button automated instant cash, but this is likely as close as you'll ever get.
Hi, my name is Miles Baker. I had heard about other people making money online, and I was really intrigued by the idea. I made numerous short-lived attempts. In the process, I came across ClickBank. In 2001, I received a check in my mailbox from ClickBank for $7.38. It was the first time ever in my life that I had received any kind of residual income. My mind totally started racing of all the possibilities of what I could do if I really applied myself. A few years later, I was marketing with ClickBank full-time. I'd quit my job, and I was receiving checks for over $10,000 every 2 weeks. I've been recognized as one of ClickBank's top 100 affiliates and vendors. I've achieved a work-at-home lifestyle that I consider totally priceless. ClickBank has changed my life in ways that I only used to dream about, and I do mean that sincerely. And because of that, I am really eternally and very grateful.
Now remember, this is the new, improved, and fully upgraded ClickBank University 2.0. That means you'll regularly get expert tutorials from marketing superstars, people you've probably heard of, like Gary Vaynerchuk, ClickBank super affiliates, and top vendors who will drop by each month to give us all the juice on what's working right now in online marketing. Here's a clip from our interview with Gary.
What is up, ClickBank University? What I've learned is most people are crippled because they like 10 things. Yeah. Just pick one and never look back. The thing that's not okay is to complain and do nothing about it. Then they're sitting and saying, now what? Nothing. Do. If you died tomorrow, would you be pumped? If the answer is no, if you're going to live with regret, you've got to try to do this.
We're talking real celebrities of online marketing. They too know the power of the ClickBank platform. We'll also be talking with the top ClickBank clients, people that are bringing in millions of dollars each year and all happily sharing strategies on how they became hugely successful.
Well, when you work for someone, you have to work 9 to 5. And the other thing is you plateau out on how much you can make when it comes to a living. I don't like having a ceiling. I like to work when I want to work. That kind of ended up being my motivation to look to see what else was out there that I could do that would remove that ceiling, that allowed me to work whenever I wanted to work. And so then that's kind of how it worked. I took what I did in the clinic and the little workouts that I did in the clinic to help people with their shoulder pain and knee pain and this and that, brought them online and made it available to everyone in the world. And it started off with like one sale a month, and one sale a week, and then one sale a day. And then it's just kind of progressed from there.
Then there's our monthly live masterminds. Each month, we'll hold live trainings on the hottest topics. Let me give you a sneak peek of our past topics, like how we've built 61,000 subscribers in 1 month by leveraging social media apps. A case study on how one ClickBank client is generating $106,000 a month online, plus behind the scenes of a $200,000 a month paid traffic funnel generated from Facebook ads. You also get access to the crash courses. We're talking trainings from A-level copywriters, insider secrets from traffic titans, and what's working now with well-known marketing mavens, and much more. We know that you'll have questions, and that's why Justin, Adam, and I are right there with you in our weekly Q&As to answer your most pressing queries live. Remember, we're right there with you every step of the way to your first ClickBank commission. And we'll even share our private Rolodex and Toolkit. Contained inside, you'll find all the tech providers, essential services, and special deals you need to get up and running, simple, quick, and easy. You'll get the best tools for building a list, getting your website live, where to find the best and most affordable hosting, a crash course in analytics, screen recorders, webinar services, our favorite outsourcing platforms, and more, all with how-to PDFs, checklists, videos, and starter guides. Save huge amounts of time and money learning all of the shortcuts and tricks to getting things done effectively and often for free. And we've not even mentioned our live events. Yes, we'll be hosting our very own live events, and we'd love for you to join us. That's why, as a member of ClickBank University 2.0, you're eligible for massive savings on the entry fees. Guaranteed, there are going to be life-changing events, not only because of the knowledge you gain, but the lasting relationships that you'll build.
Hi everyone, I'm Kathy Frost. I'm a nutritionist and a former business owner by trade, and I've been with ClickBank for about a year. I first met Justin when he offered the CBU, and so I signed up for ClickBank University, and there started my education and figuring out a little bit how to do business on ClickBank. Justin's a very sincere, honest, personal coach that is willing to take and listen to you and give you advice, and he shares everything he knows. He's not one that just hides the secrets. He actually shares with you what he knows and gives you the confidence to really be able to now go and do it. My product is about ready to roll, and I am so excited. This is going to not only change my life, but my family's life, and I am anxious to share this with others, and I would encourage anybody that has any interest in knowing how to pursue selling products or just helping others sell their product, being an affiliate, to be able to hook up with Justin, because he's going to change your life. Thank you, Justin. Thank you for being so humble and so sincere. Your humility is astonishing, and I greatly admire you. Thank you very much.